Alright guys, this is Rob with AlienRider. One more video I'm going to knock out. I've done a couple on the AlienRider M902 Pro, and I wanted to highlight, I'm about to put these on my bike, and what I have on there now are currently 901s. So I have the 901s mounted with this Spotlight quick release mount kit. And I don't know if quick release is the right terminology for it, maybe easy release. Anyway, so I'm going to mount some of these onto the 902s so I can easily swap them out on the BMW. And so I want to show you what this kit's about. So let's turn the camera around and take a look. Alright, let's take a look and see what you get in the kit. So we have two of these easy release or quick release bracket assemblies, and I'll show you how those work in a moment. You get two keys with the kit, and you get 4 screws along with washers to mount the bracket to the light module, which we'll do in a moment. And then you also get some weatherproof plugs to put on the power module cables where they connect to the light, so you can kind of plug those connectors up and keep water out of them when your lights are deinstalled. So that's kind of cool. So that's what makes a kit. So let's check out how they work. So we're going to take out one of our keys. My only complaint with the key is the hole. Maybe they made them bigger. On the M901 my holes were kind of small, so they weren't easy to get on a keychain, but I think they may have improved that. Not 100% sure. So we take a bracket, and you're going to find the screw mechanism has a unique anti-theft fitting that matches the key. And it's not the easiest thing to line up, to be honest. So that's why quick release, I'm not sure about that. So once you fit the key, then you're going to unscrew the locking screw fully. Okay, I think I got it. And that's going to give you the 2 pieces of the slide bracket. So this one will mount to the M901 or M902 mount. It will replace one of the mounting pieces, so that you can use this, which will mount on the light module, and then you basically slide your light module on, and then you drive this back in, and it will clamp and secure the light module onto your bracket. So let's take this piece and install it on our light module. So we need to take out our hardware. Okay, and you'll want to Loctite this stuff. I'm not going to do it here on the video, but also these washers are not going to fit inside here. That's not where they go. You're going to take your screw and drop it into the holes, and then you're going to flip this over, and you're actually going to use the washers on the bottom side of the bracket. And now we'll take our lamp module and we'll bring this over. And it's a bit of a trick. You want to kind of start these evenly, because if you take one and drive it in, you're going to make the other one hard to get in. The screw runs pretty close to where the captured screw extends, but it works fine. You just have to be mindful of this. So you'll start them and then kind of bring them down together with Loctite on there, of course. And there you have it. Okay, so now this bracket will be mounted on the bar bracket, and what you'll do is you'll slide the lamp housing into the bracket, and you'll have a gap there, and then you'll use your key to draw them together and lock them down. And there you go. It's nice and firm and fixed. Then connect your power cable, and away you go. So that's a look at the quick release kit. Available for both M901 and M902s. Thanks for watching.